The Pratt & Whitney PW1000G is a high-bypass geared turbofan engine family, currently selected as the exclusive engine for the Bombardier CSeries, Mitsubishi Regional Jet, Embraer second-generation E-jets, and as an option on the Irkut MiS-21 and Airbus A320neo. The project was previously known as the Geared Turbofan, and originally the Advanced Technology Fan Integrator. Development: Pratt & Whitney first attempted to build a geared turbofan starting around 1998, known as the PW1000. This essentially was an upgrade of the existing Pratt & Whitney PW6000 that replaced the fan section with a gearing system and new single-stage fan. After several years of development, the PW8000 essentially disappeared. Soon afterwards the ATFI project appeared, using a PW308 core but with a new gearbox and a single-stage fan. It had its first run on March 17, 2001. This led to the Geared Turbofan program, which was based around a newly designed core jointly developed with MTU Aero Engines of Germany. The German company provides the high-speed low-pressure turbine and various stages of the high-pressure compressor. In addition to the geared turbofan, the initial designs included a variable area fan nozzle, which allows improvements in propulsive efficiency across a range of the flight envelope. However, the VAFN has since been dropped from production designs due to high system weight. In July 2008, the GTF was renamed the PW1000G, the first in a new line of pure power engines. Pratt & Whitney claims the PW1000G is 10% to 15% more fuel efficient than current engines used on regional jets and single-aisle jets, as well as being substantially quieter. The engine was tested on the Pratt & Whitney Boeing 747 SP, and the second phase of flight testing for the PW1000G was conducted on an Airbus A340-600. The testbed aircraft, with the engine in the number 2 pylon position, flew for the first time into Toulouse on October 14, 2008. The PW1100G was first tested on the 747 SP in 2013. Testing of the PW1524G model began in October 2010. The PW1500G engine successfully achieved Transport Canada Type certification on February 20, 2013. Final versions are expected to be in production in 2013. Applications: Airbus A320neo, Bombardier CSeries, Irkut MiS-21, Mitsubishi Regional Jet, Embraer E-Jet C2. Specifications: Source: Pratt & Whitney, FlightGlobal.com, Airbus, AirInsight.com. Data from MTU. General characteristics: Type, turbofan, length, diameter 1422 Euro 2057 mm, dry weight, components, compressor, axial flow, 1-stage geared fan, 2 to 3-stage LP, 8-stage HP, combustors, annular combustion chamber, turbine, axial, 2-stage HP, 3-stage LP, performance, maximum thrust, 14,000 Euro 35,000 pound force, power to weight. Ratio, see also. Pratt & Whitney Allison 578DX, General Electric GE36, related development, Pratt & Whitney Canada PW800, comparable engines, Garrett TFE 731, CFM International LEAP, Aviad Vigatel PD14, related lists, list of aircraft engines, references. Gunston, Bill. World Encyclopedia of Aero Engines, 5th edition. Phoenix Mill, Gloucestershire, England, UK, Sutton Publishing Limited. ISBN A0-7509-4479-EXA, external links, Pratt & Whitney Pure Power, engines, Pratt & Whitney launches Geared Turbofan engine with Mitsubishi Regional Jet, Pratt & Whitney Geared Turbofan engine selected to power Mitsubishi Regional Jet, MTU Aero Engines designs high-speed turbine for P&W's GTF Geared Turbofan, first phase of GTF flight testing complete, P&W readies for CSeries a Euro 3rd Nobi Euro engine testing, jets gear up to fly greener.